Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to try some magnetic eyelashes. I wanted to jump into this trend because it's so in right now. Everybody loves them and the idea seems very easy, very fast, very beginner friendly, I would say. And yeah, I wanted to try them for myself to see to see if they work, if I like them, whatever. So I wanted to purchase the Glamnetic ones, whatever they are called. Those are the most popular. I see everyone using them, but I could not find them on the websites from where I purchase my makeup, so I didn't wanted to purchase them straight from their website because you know, shipping expensive, blah blah blah. So I went on, can you guess? Yeah, that's right, I went on Amazon because that's my go-to place when I cannot find stuff anywhere else. Amazon has it all. So guess what, they have a lot of options for magnetic eyelashes. So I purchased this kit. It's from the brand Magnetic, I guess. So yeah, I purchased this one. Obviously is made in China. I guess the brand is Magnetic. So it comes with 6 pairs of fake eyelashes and 2 liners, magnetic, glue, whatever you want to call it. Wait a second, this is magnetic liquid eyeliner. So yeah, I'm going to try this. I'm going to test it more like to see if the eyeliner is good, if it's really magnetic. And I love that it comes with this applicator. I don't really like, I do like tweezers. So anyway, if you guys want to see how they work, then keep on watching. So it comes with 2 pairs that looks more into the natural side. This one's right here. Then we have some medium length, and then we have very full, fluffy, wispy, boom in your eyes lashes. I want to try the medium ones because they look more like the Ardell wispies or demi wispies. So let me see how this works. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Look at this. My idea, or how I want to use this, is that I first want to do my wing liner with my regular liner, and then on top of that I'm going to go with the magnetic one so the lashes will stick to that. And on my other eye I'm going to use only the magnetic lash liner, but as I said, I don't feel like the applicator is any good. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this applicator. I cannot be precise, and this will get on my lashes, like on my actual lashes. That's something I really hate. I cannot stand when I have a liquid liner on my lashes and then I go and I apply my mascara and it's like, wow, she thick. This is the ugliest wing liner I did in my life. I messed it up and then I tried to fix it and we are here now, okay? So don't mind that. I tried my best, okay? I forgot to mention that my eyes are a little bit sensitive today because I guess I got some skincare in my eyes, I don't know. So if my eyes start watering, that's why. Also, I hope my eyes are not sensitive to this lash liner. I mean, I really hope it doesn't have any alcohol in it because my eyes go crazy. Yeah, the first ingredient is water, which is a good sign, I guess. This was 10 euros on Amazon, 9.98 cents. Oh, wait a second, it says shake it very well before using. Alright, no chunks, so yeah, you have to shake it very well. Oh, if you have hooded eyes, just let this dry because I don't know if you can see, that is transferring, so let it dry. I'm going to go with the medium length. Okay, so I'm going to try to apply the lash And then let's see if it works. If not, it works, but this is way too long for my small eye. You guys, it works, but I need to trim this because it's long AF. You see that? You see how long that is? Let's see. You can't even see the lashes because of my thick liner. Okay, let me apply just another coat of this to see how that works. So I'm going to go closer to my actual lash line. The first little magnet is not very close to the edge, and I guess because they thought you can trim to adjust it to your eye, but we all know that you shouldn't trim the lashes from this side. It's always from the end. This could lift and it could poke you in the eye. I don't know, man. Aww. No, I don't like this lash style. I don't know, I feel like they are facing downwards. Not very flattering. Like, you see that? No, that's a no for me. Let me try the... It did lift my liner. I'm going to try the more natural ones. I'm going to go with this style. Very natural. Let's see how that goes. You can't even see them. I'm going to... that's a weird sensation. I'm going to apply just a little bit more at the end and fix that little gap. Alright. It does feel a little bit heavy, like this liner. I totally feel it on my eye. Let me apply this lash and then I will talk. Wow, you can totally layer them. It looks super... Wow, now I have two lashes here. So how can I... Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, you guys. Now I don't know which one is which. Okay, so this is the natural style. See? They look super cute, don't get me wrong, but the quality of the lashes is not that great, and also why they are pointing downwards. Like, I want them up, 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 up. I feel like you can't achieve that. Hear me out. I don't want to sound negative. This definitely does what it says. Like, yeah, this works. This is amazing. But these lashes are so poorly made. They look cheap. They feel cheap. I don't like the lashes. But if you want to pay 10 euros only to get the liner, I think that's still a win, because you get the you get the applicator as well, and if you want, you can trim the lashes so you can make the, you know, more like accent lashes. I'm going to try that. Let me do the other eye, okay? So as I said, I don't want to sound negative, but I don't like the lashes. I do really love that the magnetic liner is working. All right, let's see. Oh my god, I'm so scared. So wish me luck. Oh my god, this, I like it because it's super black, like super black. Okay, not bad so far. I got a lot of that on my lashes. It's okay though. Oh wow, I really hate this type of applicator. I'm trying not to breathe here. Okay, not bad, but it's not even close to this one. Okay, let's go with the natural one first. And as you can see, I don't have to trim this one. That was so easy. How do I make this stand up? Oh, my make it enough. Because it looks a little bit sad. Look at this. Because I have liner on my lashes, this tends to stick on my lashes. You see that? So yeah, I'm going to give it an A, absolutely A plus, for how easy it is to just go with the lash on that liner. You see, this is that's the look I want. That's the look I want. That's how I want my lashes to look. Up and nice and happy. But how do I make them stay like that? Okay, I'm going to curl them to see if that makes a difference. I'm going to use my lash curler. And I can't. Okay, let's see if that makes a difference. Bitch. You see the difference? Like on this eye I have two pairs, right? Right? Yeah, I do have two pairs. Like the smaller one. This is the same lash. Like it's the same style. You see the difference? Like you see the difference? Bitch. Oh my god. Why I am so stupid. I'm sorry, I almost gave it a no-no. But now that I discovered the secret, I actually do like them. I'm super impressed with myself because I discovered this, okay? I said, let me just curl the damn lashes before I say I don't like them. Even though I did say that I don't like them, I said that. I'm sorry. I take it back. I take back everything I said so far. I know I talked too much. I know I said it's so bad, I don't like it, blah, blah, blah. I take it back, okay? I still think the lashes look a little bit cheap and they feel plasticky. But you see this? You see this? You guys, I give it an A plus. For the fact that it's so cheap. You get like 10 euros. You get two black, very extra, the blackest black on the market, magnetic, liquid eyeliner. I don't like this applicator, this little tube. I do prefer this type of liquid eyeliner, but I'm impressed. You just have to trim the lashes to the size of your eye, curl them very well, curl them. I do really like how these lashes look right now on me. I really hope they won't fall again, but as I said, because they are made from plastic, they will hold the curl. Just have to make sure you curl them very tight, and also every single time you apply them, give them a curl, like a little curl, okay? So I'm so happy this didn't turn out into a negative review, because I really wanted this to work for me. This is super easy. As I said, if you have shaky hands or if you feel like you cannot apply lashes because it's so hard to make them stick right, or whatever the reason may be, give magnetic lashes and liner a try, because I feel like you will love it. Yeah, I feel that. So I'm going to put the link down below if you guys want to take a look. You know, as I said, on Amazon there's like a lot of options. I went with this one because it had a bunch of reviews. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm actually very happy that this ended up working out for me. I was about to give it a half negative review only because of the lashes, but I'm glad that I decided to give them another try and it worked for me, and I'm so happy. They look so fluffy, so cute. Let me know down below if you guys tried magnetic lashes or if you guys are interested to try them. I feel like this is a nice, helpful trend and it won't go away. Like, it won't go away because it's super easy now to apply falsies. Whoever invented this trend or whoever discovered this, you are a freaking genius. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to have the link down below, but keep in mind that I live in Spain and the link might not work for other countries. So that's that. I'm going to have it down below anyways, like the full name, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.